What happens when one of the most beautiful cars in history returns as a modern supercar? The Lamborghini Miura changed the automotive world in the 1960s. It introduced the mid-engine layout and became an instant icon. Now, the Miura appears to be making a dramatic comeback. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Miura, a stunning modern reinterpretation that blends classic Italian design with the performance of a modern supercar. Starting from the front, the Miura immediately captures attention with its low and wide stance. The design stays faithful to the original Miura while introducing modern elements. The most distinctive feature is the round LED headlight design, a clear tribute to the classic Miura. Inside the circular housings are modern projector LEDs that deliver both style and performance. The hood features twin ventilation openings that help direct airflow while also cooling the engine mounted behind the driver. Below that, the aggressive front bumper integrates a wide air intake that improves cooling and enhances the car's supercar presence. From the front alone, the Miura looks both classic and futuristic. From the side, the Miura's legendary shape becomes even more apparent. The body features smooth flowing curves and a long, elegant silhouette that stretches from the front fender to the rear. The roofline sits extremely low, giving the car an aggressive, race-inspired stance. Large performance wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, while high-performance brakes highlight the car's capability. Behind the doors, subtle air intake vents feed cool air into the mid-mounted engine. The result is a design that feels timeless, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Lamborghini. At the rear, the Miura shows its true supercar character. The back end is wide, muscular, and very aggressive. Slim horizontal LED taillights stretch across the rear, creating a modern lighting signature that contrasts beautifully with the classic body design. In the center sits the Miura badge and Lamborghini logo, reminding everyone of the heritage behind this car. Below that, the rear diffuser helps improve airflow and stability at high speeds. And then there's the exhaust. A bold quad exhaust system hints at the immense power coming from the engine. Above it all sits the classic engine cover with horizontal vents, a design feature inspired directly by the original Miura. Inside the cabin, the Miura combines luxury with modern technology. The interior features premium quilted leather seats, finished in elegant black and cream tones. Red ambient lighting runs across the dashboard and doors, creating a dramatic cockpit atmosphere. The driver faces a modern digital instrument display, delivering performance data and driving information in a clear and futuristic layout. At the center of the dashboard sits a modern infotainment screen surrounded by physical switches that maintain Lamborghini's classic mechanical feel. The cockpit is clearly designed to focus on the driver while still delivering a premium supercar experience. Under the hood, or more accurately behind the driver, the Miura is expected to feature a naturally aspirated V12 engine. This powerful engine could produce around 750 to 800 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration and the unmistakable sound of a Lamborghini V12. Power would likely be sent to the rear wheels through a high-performance dual-clutch transmission. Estimated performance figures include 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.9 seconds. Top speed close to 210 miles per hour. With lightweight materials like carbon fiber, the Miura would combine extreme power with precise handling. Because of its legendary status, the Miura would likely be produced in very limited numbers. Industry estimates suggest a price starting around $900,000, with some versions potentially exceeding $1 million. The car could make its official debut sometime in late 2025, with deliveries expected in 2026. And if that happens, it will almost certainly become one of the most collectible Lamborghinis ever made. The Lamborghini Miura is more than just a supercar. It's a legend that changed automotive history. And if Lamborghini truly brings the Miura back for 2026, it could become one of the most exciting supercar revivals we've ever seen. Classic beauty, modern performance, and pure Lamborghini DNA.